Model, 2019 Ford Transit Connect Trend 220L1 1.5 100 PSD, cab, van EcoBlue spares OR repairs MOTED. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 104,116. MOT, 4 January 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 100 PSS 6IA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.